AIRBUS C-295W. The versatile AIRBUS C-295W, known for its adaptability and performance, becomes a formidable aerial firefighting tool when configured with 1,850 gallons of water capacity. This multi-role aircraft can be rapidly converted to address wildfires, taking advantage of its impressive speed, range, and water capacity. With a cruising speed of 300 miles per hour and a range of up to 3,500 miles, the C-295W is capable of reaching remote fires to provide much-needed firefighting support. Its exceptional endurance and short-field takeoff and landing abilities make it well-suited for tackling fires in challenging environments and accessing hard-to-reach areas. In addition, the AIRBUS C-295W's advanced avionics, superior performance, and proven reliability make it an essential asset in firefighting operations worldwide. As a result, the C-295W has earned its place among the largest water bombers in the world, bringing hope and relief to those threatened by wildfires. Lockheed C-130 Hercules. The legendary Lockheed C-130 Hercules, renowned for its versatility and dependability, becomes an aerial firefighting powerhouse when equipped with a Modular Airborne Firefighting System 2, or MAFS 2. This configuration transforms the C-130 into an imposing water bomber, capable of carrying a staggering 3,000 gallons of water or fire retardant. With a cruising speed of 345 miles per hour and a range of up to 2,500 miles, the C-130 can reach and suppress fires even in the most remote locations. Its robust design and excellent short-field takeoff and landing capabilities make it perfect for operating in challenging environments and accessing hard-to-reach fire zones. The C-130 Hercules has been a mainstay of aerial firefighting for decades, and its reputation for reliability and performance is well-deserved. As one of the largest water bombers in the world, the C-130 continues to play a vital role in protecting lives, property, and ecosystems from the devastating impact of wildfires.